guys, my name's Alexis, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a Mercedes C300. This is a 2018 model car finished off in a nice white color. The customer's got a full Valvetronic system from us on the car as well. So it's a 4-inch downpipe going into a 3-inch midpipe section into 2 muffler boxes with the M.a.B tuning valves on the back. The video that you're looking at right now will look a bit odd because the customer's the one going for a high flow turbo setup as well. If you want to see the full details of the turbo system that we've done on the car as well, check in the comments down below and you see the link to the YouTube video with all the details. So let's get into the exhaust system on the car. So I'm going to be turning the car on and we'll show you how it sounds like. Okay, so this is the M.a.B tuning remote that you can see right here. We've got a red custom remote for the customer as well because he's got some nice stickers on the outside that he really likes. So we thought we might as well keep the whole red theme going on in the car. So I'm going to turn the car in accessory mode right now. Let's see. So the valves are closed right now and I'm going to turn the car on. Okay. So you can hear me right now, and then when I open the valve, and then I'm going to close it again. Got a rev limiter on there, so you can't really set the car past 4,000 revs. So I'm going to keep the valves open. I'm just going to go up and down in the car park to give you a little sound clip of the exhaust system. So with the pops and crackles tune that we've done on the car as well, it sounds really nice. It's not too much, but it gives the car a really nice exhaust note to it. So I'm going to close the valves right now and let's see what it sounds like. So with the valves closed, you can't really notice if the car's got an exhaust system or it's even got a tune on the car. So I'll keep the valves open right now. A little rev. That sounds really good. If you're interested in getting a full Valvetronic system for your car, contact us at M.a.B Tuning on Facebook, Instagram, or you can